Hi, Brian McWhorter here with another video on making positive change. If you've seen some of my past videos, I've talked often about lean manufacturing, which is all about making positive change. Again, it's a good concept in the business world that goes along with the theme of everything I talk and write about. Creating positive change, moving forward in life. Again, it doesn't matter in our personal life or work life. Stability doesn't really apply. Everything is either moving forward, improving, or sliding backwards. And the default setting of life seems to be to go backwards. Again, you don't have to plant weeds in your garden. Ignore it, they'll grow on their own. Muscles not used atrophy, brain cells not used die. You want to end a relationship? Give it no attention, it'll end on its own. Again, in the business world and our private lives, we need to identify those things that are important and move forward with them. Put plans in place for continuous improvement. Now, the whole philosophy of lean manufacturing is continuous improvement and eliminating waste. Identifying and getting rid of those 8 forms of waste as identified by Toyota. So again, there's a lot of value in this, but even so, if you Google how many lean initiatives fail, you'll find that 50 to 95%, depending on the study, fail. Wow! Who wants to invest in something with only maybe 5% success rate? This is pretty bad. So why do so many lean initiatives fail? Again, it makes sense to want to go after continuous improvement and identify waste and drive improvement. Here's the reason that I've seen so many lean initiatives fail, and I see this over and over and over again. I can walk into a business, look at their lean program, and pretty much tell if it's going to be successful or a failure. And it's whether or not it's focused on people or on numbers. Again, Toyota talks highly about respect to the worker, respect to the individual. You'll hear comments like, before we make cars, we build people. Invest in your people. When I see companies attempting lean with a numbers focus, just trying to improve their profitability, improve their bottom line, it's usually disrespectful to the people. It sets up an antagonistic work environment, and it's very disrespectful to the individuals working there. Again, don't think waste, think frustration. The people that do the work are the ones that you want to give the tools to drive the improvements. Again, everything that we do is by people and processes. Processes are those lean tools that we're going to use, like 6S or 5S plus 1, implementing Kanban, using Yamazumi, the different tools to help, again, flush out waste and drive continuous improvement. But if it doesn't remove frustration, if it doesn't serve the people that do the work, then it's not going to be successful, and your values are kind of warped and even trying to apply it that way. It'd be like this. Imagine that you have a basketball team. So you have your players, and you're spending all your time and energy with your coaches and all your managers focusing on the numbers from the games. And you've studied those numbers. You know how many times people turn over the ball, the shooting averages, handovers, foul line shots. You've got all that stuff down. You study it all the time. You've got graphs and charts, and again, you're on top of it. But if I ask you how much time you actually spend working with the players, training, doing drills, celebrating success, highlighting them as the heroes, you're the ones that are enabling us to win the games. You're the stars. We are supporting your abilities and growing them. Often, like I said, I see the numbers focus, but almost no activities towards taking care of the players, the ones that do the work. So the number one reason that I see failure time and again with lean, too heavy a focus on the numbers and not focusing on the people, on the players, those that do the work. Again, I stand behind lean. It's a great program. It does incredible things, but you have to implement it the right way. And that's by respecting your people and doing the work. Till next time, Brian McWhorter. Keep striving for positive change.